Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Today we're presenting a new video that is related to the Asus Wi-Fi repeater. Setting up the Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 repeater is easier than you think. Follow this quick guide to expand your Wi-Fi coverage and enjoy faster, stronger connections throughout your home. No more weak signals, get started now. This step-by-step guide shows you how to set up your Wi-Fi 6 repeater in minutes. Say goodbye to dead zones and enjoy seamless connectivity everywhere. Firstly, we will unbox an Asus repeater box. Inside the Asus RP-AX58 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 box, you'll find the repeater unit itself, designed with a sleek and compact build to fit into any space. The box also includes a quick start guide to help you set up easily, along with a warranty card for product support. Depending on the region, a power adapter might also be included. Everything you need to get started with boosting your Wi-Fi coverage is neatly packed and ready for use. Place the repeater close to your main router for initial setup. You can relocate it later. Plug the repeater into a power outlet. Wait for the power LED to light up. This usually takes 30 seconds to 1 minute. Locate the WPS button on your main router. Refer to your router's manual if needed. Press the WPS button on the router. This will enable it to accept a connection from the repeater for a short period, usually 2 minutes. Press and hold the WPS button on the RP-AX58 repeater for about 2 seconds until its LED starts blinking. The repeater will now try to connect to the router. This process may take up to 2 minutes. Once the connection is successful, the repeater's LED will turn solid green or blue, indicating a stable connection. If the LED does not stabilize or turns red, repeat steps 3 and 4, ensuring the router's WPS mode is still active. Unplug the repeater and move it to a location between your router and the area needing better coverage. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.